Hi, Dr. Brill here. I've got a question for you. How many of you sell accessories, products, solutions? You know, it's kind of a pain to keep an inventory of it, but I'll tell you, this is a total convenience item for patients. They look forward to you having this. You know, we have Lumify, we've got GP solutions, we've got vitamins, eyelash supplements, drops. We have a whole bunch of different things. And I always thought patients wouldn't like that, but honestly, it's a one-stop shop. They want to buy them from here, and it makes it a convenience. You know what actually adds up a little bit of revenue? Think of it like a small cab ride, a short cab ride. Yes, you could take a cab ride from Kansas City to Chicago, but you could do a bunch of 3-mile or 5-mile cab rides, and it all adds up at the end of the month. It's going to take a little bit of management, but I think that your patients will love it. We've got other accessories too of different things for glasses, specialty little cases, knickknacks, readers. This is not one, but it's kind of cool anyway. So, all right, so think about serving your patients. Think about not sending them to Walmart. Do you realize Walmart and Target actually spit out a receipt that says a coupon, get your contacts here, get your glasses here, get your exam here. Keep them out of big box retail, and you'll save the patient, you'll save them time, money, and they'll look forward to the convenience.
I like that.